Now let's suppose we want to solve 6x squared equals 7x plus 20. Once again, we need everything on the left in descending order first. So my 6x squared is already on the left, but I need to bring the 7x across, and it'll become negative when it goes across the equal sign, and I need to bring the 20 across. It too will become negative as it goes across. Alright, now we need to factor this. So let's make two sets of parentheses. Alright, now, things that give me 6x squared. Well, I can multiply 2 times 3 and get 6, or 1 times 6 and get 6. I'm going to try 2 times 3 first, and this is just a trial and error process. We may not get it at first. Alright, now, I look at the negative 20 here at the end, and I need to decide what will give me negative 20. I could have negative 4 and 5. I could have 4 and negative 5. 2 and negative 10. Negative 2 and 10. 1 and negative 20, or negative 1 and 20. I'm just going to try 4 and 5 first. Now, since 2 and 4 have a number in common, I don't want to put the 4 in the parentheses with the 2. So I'm going to put the 4 in parentheses with the 3, and I'll put the 5 over in the other set of parentheses. Now, let's check the inside. If I multiply 5 times 3x, that's 15x. And if I multiply 2 times negative 4, that's negative 8x. And 15x and negative 8x add to positive 7x. And my middle term up here is a negative 7x. So I just have the wrong sign, which means I want 2x and minus 5, and 3x and plus 4. And let's just double check those. If I check the middle, this gives me negative 15x. And if I check the outside, this gives me a positive 8x. And if I add negative 15x and 8x, that is negative 7x, my middle term. So I now have the correct terms in each of the parentheses. Let's set each of these parentheses to 0. And then I just have to solve these two linear equations. So in the first equation, we have to get rid of our negative 5 first. Let's add 5. We get 2x equals 5. Divide out to get rid of our 2. And one of our solutions is 5/2. Let's do the same thing over here. Subtract 4. We get 3x equals negative 4. Divide out. The other solution is negative 4/3. This equation has solutions negative 4/3 and positive 5/2.